Today is a glorious day. We are here at the Lenore City, Tennessee terminal. Kevin, why is it a glorious day?
Because I'm getting a 2024 Kenworth T680. It's only 2023, so this truck hasn't even been built yet. I had to get in this truck and drive it back to the future. I'll see you in 2024. So long.
And what's really exciting is you've wanted a Kenworth,
Yeah, I've been asking for a Kenworth since I got started with CRETE a year ago, and now it's happening.
Let's go see. There's one, but that's not it.
What's that number? 273 293 272.
Woo!
Hi, first thing, I got a loaded trailer. I'll be here overnight. And I did get a message saying it needs a T1, but the sticker looks like it's from back 4 months. It's 293272. 293272.
Grab on the right up sheet there on the clipboard in front of you.
Yep.
Write down trailer number 29272. Find it at the bottom for me.
Where's the trailer number go over?
Top right hand corner. Check the line
It's
down.
underneath there. 239272.
Line got above it. Nominated in the lead.
Tomorrow's is the 8th, right? 5:00 a.m. Four o'clock.
Sign it up. Put the trailer number. Put the time you need to leave at the top. Sign
Yep.
it at the bottom. So
Yep.
get your ass on down. Alright. Alright, what's that? What is your truck number you're supposed to be picking up?
48177.
Keeping that?
A brand new Kenworth.
SLOKEV.
Yes.
Correction. It's got a correction. 48152.
Yeah, the 177 ain't been in the shop yet.
Yeah, they changed their truck.
Okay.
We're gonna be getting 48152. Look at these moves. How
Well, it's not going to be a daisy.
Right here.
SLOKEV. You know, he got here first though.
Which number instead?
48152.
152. I liked 177 better. 7's my favorite number. Darn it. But it's still a brand new Kenworth, can't complain.
Yes. Because they thought we'd be here on Monday,
Yeah, you were too keen.
Sunday.
Too keen, man.
Days from now.
Oh man. Go out and get your new truck. Pull it up to door 15. I've got to sign you in it before you put your belongings in it, okay?
Yeah,
There's
and
2 cross docks in the corner back there.
yeah, back over here.
You can go ahead and put your own truck up there. Okay? Put one truck on one side. If you
Yeah.
want to go ahead. Go get your new one and pull it up and get your sign in and you go spot.
You know where it is?
It should be out there along the fence, along the interstate.
Okay.
Now there's so many of them. There's so many of them here that it may be around a little bit, but it should be against it on that line or against the interstate.
It's red though, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
So you're saying we should go look for a red truck?
get the other one. We'll
Let's
unhook
see the
and
keys.
drive over.
Let's see the keys.
We'll unhook and drive over. Otherwise, I got to walk back and forth across this place 3 times.
How excited are you, Kevin?
Wait till I see it. Just wait. It's the 48 152. Let's go get it.
We are so excited, and we hope you are too. But first, we have to drop off this trailer and take the Freightliner over and find our new 2024 Kenworth. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. What do you think? Let us know. And of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us. Also, remember you can now buy us a coffee. That'll be a link down in the description or the pinned comment. And if you want to drive for Crete, please be sure to give them our referral code, SLOKEV. All right, now let's find that new truck. See you in the next video. Bye. With love from Kevin and Tanya.